Ebi bigambiro nyomwabazyo obu abataso ababushenyi bagizireho omushomo ogw'ebyamagara n'abakuru b'amarwariro agari omuri Mitooma agari kwingana 19 kandi omushomo ogu gubira Peak Hotel eri kushangwa omuri Mitooma.
We want to have all services our HIV client needs integrated into the community. From the time we started offering care to our people living with HIV/AIDS, they have been coming to help our health facility.
Kemigisha Jennifer ori kuruga omutaso agizire ngu abo barashange ngu bine akakoko ka Silimu ombyaro bitari rimwe na bimwe nibija kuba nibatunga Obuheereza bwona nko kubachebera okubaho mbazi oshange ngu nabandi nibija kwa bahebwaho ahabyo kutambura engendo ningwa.
We have HIV testing for family members. When we enter this household, we are not focusing on just the nasal breast client. We are focusing at the entire household.
Julian Musimenta ayonjire yashoborora n'ahanshonga y'ebyoma ebari kukozesa omukuchebera.
It's expiring. Yeah, our HIV self-testing kits are expiring, unfortunately, and if we can use them. So the opportunity is here, especially now that we have children who are on holidays.
Beno ni Karija ori chairman w'entebe ya katano owa district ya Mitooma agambira abashahongo abantu ba bulijo nibacetengo kushomesibwa ngo abo kugira ngo abinjiti bari kunda kumara dozi y'emibazi eyi bari kwabihiro mu marwariro kiretera amagara gabo gagumani garwararwara.
Some of our people would be swallowing our drugs on Lija when they feel they are now okay. And when they feel they are deteriorating, then they go back.
Habura ngo babugana abantu abikikecha bimiringo tari yemwe nemwe nkabantu abatendekirwe baruko barabahandoringe buri muntu umuringo gwe kurango message yitwa tungeri izoba umurikiko orientation ya hikaja abantu bitu kandi itwe nka office ya RDC twaraganisa ngo tuza gukora ibiceme kubatukozere abo ko imirimo yitu. One, sensitization. Ogwa kabiri no kureba ngo twakora monitoring.
Gumisiriza Robert ori omuhwezi wa DHO wa Mitooma nawe agambire ahabizibu ebari kutunga bonka bebyamagara ngo kandi na n'ikiri kuretera Obuheereza bwabo butatamburaje.
Challenge eri kusinga y'ikine ne abantu hatu noreba abana nibashoma bakirwata. Mwana kwa kukomcharo ariyo nayegesa abantu bamureba nk'umwana muto usanga nahereza information ariyo nakobuzanzabi atosanga abantu bamwishereka hata abana bakuzena ko kwa Silimu bamembazi nibaribuka.
Kanoni bamugendera Ephraim ori assistant wa RDC owa Mitooma na wasimira bataso ahabo murimo murungi ogubari gukora.
I want to thank the Taso people. If just as a flashback, if we recall at the time when AIDS started here in Uganda, and you look at that flashback and you recall at the rate at which people were dying.
Agagasha kwa Olivia na Sasira ahabwa Sky TV omuri Mitooma.